entrepreneur, you have to pay taxes, like that's life. But sometimes you also have to travel. And if you're wondering how you can maybe travel more and pay less taxes, well, this lesson is all about business English for talking about tax deductions and travel. Hi, I'm your English coach, Christina, and welcome to Business English with Christina, where you become better at business and better at English. And real quick, if you're an entrepreneur and you're trying to improve your English and you want to build up those good habits, go over and get my English Habits Starter Kit to help you do that. The link is down below. Now, before we get into this lesson, a little disclaimer, a little warning. With my team, when we were trying to decide subjects for summer videos, we wanted to have a little fun with it. So this video, yes, it is about business English to talk about tax deductions and travel, but it is not business advice or tax advice, and we're not encouraging you to try to cheat on your taxes. None of that. It's really meant to be just a funny, light kind of video to introduce some very useful business English expressions. And if you need tax help or you're really wondering what you can deduct from your taxes, please check your local laws, talk with your accountant. I am not here to give you tax advice, only business English advice. Okay, so now that the disclaimer message is there, let's get into this lesson. And you're going to hear a dialogue between an entrepreneur and their accountant, and listen for the expressions that they use to talk about traveling and tax deductions. And as always, you can find all of this vocabulary and a quiz to help you learn it over on my blog, link down below the video.
Yeah, hey, it's Christina. Listen, I'm calling because I'm leaving on this trip, and I was wondering, can I deduct this trip as a business expense?
Well, it may be possible to deduct your travel expenses like airfare, accommodation, restaurants if you take your business partners or your clients out to dinner. But is your trip business related? Will it help your business, or is this more of a personal trip?
Well, it's for a yoga and massage retreat in Bali, but it is kind of connected to my work. IT.
Is that relevant to your business? Do you need yoga and massage to do IT work?
Well, actually, yeah, because we specialize in IT solutions for online yoga businesses. And, after business partners and we get some massage therapy, we'll be much more relaxed for our business meetings later this year, and we'll be more productive. And so, yeah, I think it's definitely relevant.
I see. Well, it might be easier to deduct the yoga part of the trip, but the massage part might be more difficult to deduct. You may be mixing personal and business travel, so you can deduct a portion of your trip. How long will you be there?
3 weeks.
Does the conference last 3 weeks?
No, but once we're there, we thought we would do some sightseeing and maybe hang out at the beach and maybe work remotely. Yeah, now that you mention it, if I bring my laptop, can I just say that I'm working the entire time? I can work from anywhere.
I'm not sure that's the best idea.
Wow, I'm so glad I called you. You always have the best ideas, Nico. And don't worry, I remember what you said before. Document. That's why you're my accountant, to keep me out of trouble. So I'll keep my receipts. It was great talking to you, as always, Nico, and I'll let you go because I've got a plane to book.
Wait, hello? Hello?
Okay, did you catch those business English expressions? At least maybe some of them. And did you think that that entrepreneur was making the right decision to try to deduct all of those travel expenses? No matter what your answer to that question is, you've got a quiz to help you learn all of those expressions over on my blog. So be sure to go over there and get it. Like, start with this video, but don't stop there. Continue learning, be active in your learning, and go check out that quiz. And if you don't use it, you lose it. So here's how you can use some of the things that you learned today. Down in the comments, tell me, is there a place that you would love to travel for business, like for a conference or for an event where you could mix business and pleasure? Share your dream business destination with me down in the comments, and let's have a little fun. And if this lesson was helpful for you, and if you liked the kind of fun, funny tone, I hope it was funny. I tried to be funny. Anyway, if you enjoyed it, let me know and give me a thumbs up on YouTube and subscribe to my channel so that I can continue making business English lessons for you. Like I said, go over to my website and check out the quiz that goes with this video lesson and get the habits kit to build good habits for improving your English. And watch this next lesson. It's more businessy about how to go from scared to super on business English calls. And of course, thank you so much for watching Business English with Christina. I will see you next time. But next week, and for the next couple of weeks, something a little different. We're going to share with you some longer lessons that are like the best of our lessons from the past year or two, some compilations, because a lot of the members on the team will be on well-deserved summer vacation. So we're preparing everything in advance for you so that you can continue learning and reviewing your English with us during the summer months if you would like. But if you just want to disconnect, go like relax on the beach, or go climb some mountains, or just not do anything productive, let's say, and enjoy doing nothing, please do that. All right, guys, have a good one, and I'll see you soon.